On June 17, 2025, a dazzling drone show lit up the night sky over Nanbin Road, Chongqing, China. The spectacular light and shadow show named Charming Chongqing unfolded in the sky with dual drone formations. Tens of thousands of drones participated, setting a new Guinness World Record for the largest aerial pattern formed by drones. The network backbone supporting this breathtaking performance consists of 3 RG NBS 3200-24GT4XS P switches and 12 outdoor long-distance omnidirectional RGR AP6260 HAPs. These devices provide stable and reliable channels for delivering commands to over 6,000 drones. The formation commands generated by the ground control station are precisely scheduled and efficiently distributed by the switches. The commands are then transmitted via 12 RGR AP6260 HAPs deployed in the performance area. This setup enables global command distribution and status feedback aggregation between the ground control station and numerous drones, ensuring the stable and efficient execution of both tasks. The 12 downlink RGR AP6260 HAPs, based throughout the performance area, provide full coverage. The APs leverage the powerful dual-band intelligent scheduling technology to support real-time communication of thousands of drones in the dedicated 5.8 GHz frequency band. Moreover, the adaptive frequency hopping feature dynamically avoids interference from mobile signals of tens of thousands of spectators, ensuring smooth and stable communication. Additionally, our technical experts provide on-site support and assist in device debugging, ensuring optimal performance for every network device. This successful drone show is not only a visual feast, but also a powerful testament to the performance of Reyee's network equipment and the team's collaborative capabilities.